I'm so excited for you to get your bag party going. So I just really quickly wanted to go over everything that is in your packet. So a bag party is super simple. You'll notice that with your envelope you also got a bag of testers. These are numbered just so I can keep track of them, don't worry about that. Inside there is all these testers. Make sure that if it's warm out, you do not leave these in your car. They will melt. They will melt my testers. They will make a mess of your car. Heat and wax go so well together when used properly, but not when in your vehicle. So these are for opening, for sniffing. You, your friends, family, everybody can smell these as much as you want. And so also in your packet you'll have a sheet just like this, and this gives you step-by-step instructions on exactly how to get all your freebies. There is a place here for your wish list. I want you to text this to me. My number is 532-8008, area code 207. I want you to text me your wish list so I know what you're working towards. And then there's some directions on the back here on who to ask, and how exactly we finish this all up and all that good stuff. So you're going to want to read through this paper. There is also a couple of catalogs in there, some monthly special flyers in there, and order forms. So shipping to, if people want direct shipping, then they would pay $8 direct shipping. If they want shipping to the party, which is usually to me and then you pick it up from me, unless we've made other arrangements, but that is $2. So shipping should either be $2 or $8. And then you calculate tax, get your total. If you need help with any of that, just shoot me a message and we will get you hooked up. There is some samples in there. Those are just for you to enjoy. If you don't love the scent, pass it on to a friend. This right here is a really cool information packet about joining Scentsy. I love my Scentsy job and I think that you would love it too. So take a peek at that, and if you have questions, let me know. It is literally that simple. You're going to take that guest list off of your sheet and you're going to go around to those people and ask them to look at a catalog, smell the testers, sit, have coffee, have a conversation, do all that fun stuff, and then collect all the orders at the end. If you are local to me, then you can just drop off cash check payments to me. People can also write on the order form, pay with a credit card down here, and I will get those all taken care of. If you are not local to me, then I have included a prepaid mailer for you to stick all of the testers, the order forms, payments, all of that into that prepaid mailer, and then you can just pop it in the mail. I'll be able to track it back to me, and then I'll get those orders all placed for you and we'll get your goodies into your hands. If you have questions or are struggling or anything like that, let me know. $200 is the party minimum, but you'll see on this sheet at $500 you get way more stuff. So I always suggest that you aim for a $500 party. If you have questions, let me know and I will talk to you soon.